In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do web scraping with the IMPORTXML function here in Google Sheets. So IMPORTXML helps you pull in data from a web page. It's one of the many import functions that we have to do web scraping here in Google Sheets. In IMPORTXML, we are going to use the URL and the full XPath to pull in data from a different web page. Let's go ahead and do that. I have my example right here. Now it says top 100 book. What I'm going to try and do is to get the name of this book right here, which is in the top 100 according to this website, and put it back into my spreadsheet. So I'm going to do that by going back to Google Sheets right here. Let's start our formula with the equal sign. Type in import, select import XML right here. Then we're going to go back to that website and copy our URL. So our URL is at the top right here in the address bar. So all you have to do is to select that and copy it, Control-C. Now let's go back to our spreadsheet and paste it in right here. Before you do that, put in your quotation marks. There you go, and comma. Now the next part would be our XPath query. So we're going to go back to that web page and right-click on the page and go to inspect at the bottom. On the right side, you'll see all the scripts and codes. And if you hover over these codes, they'll tell you which ones are coded for each part of the web page. So this one right here would be for the title that I want to extract. So I'm just going to right click on that, go to copy, and select copy full XPath at the bottom. Click on that, go back to your spreadsheet, and we're just going to paste that full XPath right here. So again, with the quotations, Control-V for paste, closing quotation marks, and press enter. And here we have the title of the book that is in the top 100 according to that website. So I feel bad about my neck. If we go back, if that is the same title for the book, and it is, so we've successfully scraped this data from the web page using IMPORTXML. Let's try that again with another one. And for this one, we're just going to scrape it from Wikipedia. So in another website right here, I have Wikipedia. At the top, I have my web page, which I'm just going to copy again to use for my formula. Control-C, go back to your spreadsheet, start your formula with the equal sign, import XML, open quotation marks, paste in your URL, closing quotation, comma. Now we're going to go back to Wikipedia to inspect that part of that web page that we want to extract. So I'm just going to go all the way down and find the population, which is right here. So again, I'm just going to right click on it and select inspect at the bottom. Again, we have all the scripts or codes on the right. And once we hover over the ones that we want to scrape, we also have the drop down right there that will tell us which one is which. So once it's highlighted, you'll know that it's the one that you want to extract. Just right click on it, go to copy, and select copy full XPath. Click on that, go back to your spreadsheet, open quotation marks, paste in your full XPath, closing quotation, closing parentheses, and press enter. And there we have it. So that's how web scraping is done with the IMPORTXML function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.